Hello guys, welcome to Loud Code. My name is Nawaz and in this video I am going to talk about one of the world's largest web developer site, that is W3 School, from which you can become a web developer or a full stack developer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will be sharing these kinds of sites where you can easily practice and improve your logical and programming skills. If you want to become a web developer or a full stack developer, this site is for you. And watch this video till the end so that you won't miss out any tips. Whenever you are trying to learn anything practically, it remains for a long time. So in W3 schools, you can learn practically as well as theoretically. So the number of tutorials in W3 schools are as shown in the screen. So you can learn HTML and CSS, JavaScript, server-side languages, XML tutorials, programming, web building, etc. So I would recommend you to learn HTML and CSS, JavaScript, and web building topics from this W3 schools. You also have references, you also have examples, and you also have exercises and quizzes so that it will be very much useful for you to learn as well as remember things easily. So let us see how can we learn from W3 schools. I have chosen an example that is HTML table. You can see that they have given you an HTML table example here. This is a table which is written in HTML and this is CSS which reflects here. So they are also giving a button where you can try it by yourself. So also there is a theoretical concept explained here and they have given a code example and also they have given some note. Also, they have given some additional information about tables, how you can use them. And also they have given some note so that you won't miss out anything. They have also explained about other properties of HTML table with examples. So you can try it yourself and learn whatever you want. So let us see the basic HTML table so that you can see how practically you can learn from W3 schools. Let me show you a practical way to create an HTML table. I have already opened the tab. Let me show you that itself. So this is a HTML code. This is a complete HTML code and the output of that HTML code is reflected here. Whenever this code is opened in a browser with a .html extension, it will show us in this format. So this code also consists of a style which you will learn in CSS. So here you can see that this is a HTML tag. Inside HTML tag there is a header and inside header they have included a style. So inside body of a HTML they are going to create a table. So they are using a table tag. Inside that they are using a tr which is a row tag and then there is a header tag th. In the same way they are also writing for a different rows. So let us try changing few things and see how it works. Let me remove this code and run this. So what will happen? So this tr, that is row, was having three columns, that is love to code one column, contact one, country one. As we removed this and we ran this code, we can see that only two columns are present. So let us add and run and see how it works. So in this way, you can practically learn and understand the concepts clearly from W3 schools. So another thing I want you to show is that CSS as well as JavaScript. Same, you can see that they will give you an example and a small explanation, theoretical explanation, and they will tell you to do some practical examples. Then they also give you some free templates so that you can use in your projects. It is better that you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript. This JavaScript will be very much helpful for you to learn Node.js, React.js, AngularJS, etc. Also, you should learn jQuery, and also you should learn JS version ES6 so that you can also learn Node.js, React.js as well as AngularJS if you want to learn those things. So you also have an option to learn SQL. The things which I learned from W3 schools is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Bootstrap, and a little bit of SQL. Also, I want you to show some web templates, which will be very much helpful for you to show that you did few projects on HTML, CSS, etc., CSS, Bootstrap, etc. So here are a few templates where you can see a demo and try it by yourself, and you can also understand how these templates work. So here you can also have one of the template that is used for resume building, so you can impress your interviewer. See this template. So actually, I had made same template for myself. So let me toggle this. Yeah, you can see that. So here you have an example of a template. In this W3, you can also change whatever it is according to you, and you can showcase that your CV in this format as well. So whenever you do this kind of things, you will get good practical knowledge, and it will be very much helpful for you. Let me change this designer to a developer. Let me see where it is. Yeah, I got this. Let me change to developer DEV and run this. So you can see that it changed. So in this way, practically you can learn many things from W3 School. You can also learn about jQuery plugin. You will have lots of content in this. So you can become a good self-taught developer or a full stack developer by practicing in W3 schools and learning from W3 schools. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.